Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm finally doing a cleaning and organizing video and sharing it. We genuinely need to clean today, so I thought, why not film it? If you guys are new to my channel, during this quarantine, I've been doing daily uploads. I did that last week for you guys, just kind of while we were just getting into our new normal. I want to give you guys a lot of content. And I also do that around Vlogmas too. And as fun as it is, it also leads to a messy house just because I get in this routine and I get in this like film, edit, upload, create content mode. And it's really hard to keep up with both, to keep up with the house and all the filming and all the uploading. Now that we're going back to the normal schedule, I was just like, you know what, I need to get my house in order because it's not, I work from home, so it's not inspiring to create content in a mess. And I know a lot of you guys are staying home right now too during this whole virus and quarantine. So I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna show you guys how I clean. We're also gonna be doing some serious organizing today. And yeah, and the other thing I want to mention is this video is also in collaboration with Drop. We're going to talk about them later in the video. I shop online all the time and I know a lot of you guys do as well. It's an app where you can just earn points just from shopping at stores you normally would, and then you could turn those points into free gift cards at stores like Nordstrom's, Amazon. It's really cool. I want to share that with you in today's video, and they're actually going to be giving you guys some free points. So we're going to talk about that later, but first, let's get into the cleaning routine. Okay, so Jared is tackling the kitchen and he's out taking the garbage right now. And it's not like crazy bad, but this is, my floors are so squeaky. This is the issue. We have a tripod just chilling. We have our laundry that needs to be folded, that's clean. And then in our dining room, we saw the baby today. We did our 20-week scan and we just have like salt from breakfast this morning. We have like, I don't even know what's happening here.
Pro tip for you, when you're cleaning, pop in your AirPods, listen to a podcast.
Yeah, goes by faster, right?
So fast.
He loves to clean. For me, I don't love to clean, but I don't like it a mess either. So he's gonna tackle the kitchen. This is Jared's specialty. And we're going to start with this room where I film videos. So let's do this. So when everything is a mess and really disorganized, the first thing I always do is take out anything in the room that doesn't belong. And that's where I like to start because I know it can be overwhelming. I'm always that person where it's already hard to find motivation to clean as it is. So if I know where to start, it just makes things so much easier. So just take out anything that doesn't belong in that room. I don't know about you guys, but we've had way too many movie nights. So I apply the same concept in this room as well. Take out the things that don't belong in there. So for us, it's socks and whatever else we bring in there when we're watching a movie. Sometimes extra blankets and extra coasters, and it just can look cluttered. So, and I always find dog bones, which are allowed to be in the living room, but I don't want them in the cushions. You guys always ask about this couch. It's from West Elm and we love it, but it's kind of like the restoration, oh my gosh, another dog bone. It's like the restoration hardware couch. You have to keep fluffing the pillows for it to look nice, which I don't mind doing. It's just keep that in mind.
Give me love and give me life.
Also guys, teamwork. We're all home more than usual. We all have to pitch in with chores, and it just goes by so much faster if you say, okay, let's do 30 minutes of cleaning. That's me and Jared's hack. We'll just be like, you know what? Let's put on the timer. We'll do 30 minutes, and we end up sometimes spending an hour, and then it looks so good. So we've made our guest room into the clean laundry area. So I will put on a YouTube video or a podcast, and I will just go in there and tackle laundry. So I love when everything's folded and put away. It just makes everything look so nice. Okay, so now we're in my bedroom. I'm just sitting on the floor, and these finally came in the mail. I got these on Amazon, and this is to organize my makeup. So okay, don't judge my makeup. From all the filming and editing for a week, actually for 2 weeks, things got a little out of hand, okay? Like, I filmed tutorials for you guys. I brought makeup from in there to the living room. My bathroom's not looking so cute right now, and I realized that it was really hard to keep it like that without a system. It was really hard to keep it clean without a system. So I bought this stuff on Amazon, and now we're gonna go put it all away in there instead of living out of makeup bags. So brace yourself, let me show you what it looks like. Hi, we're in my bathroom, but yeah, half the stuff I don't even use. Like, first of all, that's Jared's side of the sink. That needs to go over there. So we're gonna do a better system instead of like, why is this toothpaste just like that? Like, I'm embarrassed for us, especially because you guys know we like to be clean and organized, but like, our bedroom and bathroom need some serious help. The last couple days I've been having a little morning sickness again. Cleaning in here has definitely gotten the back burner because we don't spend a lot of time in the bathroom. It's just kind of like in and out. Yeah, we're gonna organize this up. All right, so you ready to see this look a lot better? Okay, so this looks kind of scary, but how I decided to organize it is I'm gonna go through all the makeup and actually genuinely pick what are the top products that I normally use, and then everything else is just gonna go in a closet in the bathroom. Instead of putting like every bronzer in there, I'm just gonna, I know buddy, you love makeup. I'm just gonna organize it based on what I genuinely pick out and use. How much better does this look? I'm so proud of myself. Like, look at how I condensed it. Like, there was just stuff everywhere, and now it looks so much better. I really should organize my makeup brushes because I actually don't even use all of those, but one thing at a time. So yeah, the only thing I added that you guys didn't see was I added my makeup setting spray and then the palettes I like to use at the time. I always switch out my palettes, so I do have an area I can put things, but yeah, this is just like the top stuff that I like to use and rotate out, and it's just so much more inspiring to do my makeup and skincare, because then over here I have my skincare brushes and then my face wash. That's actually my toothbrush. Oh, I love the way that looks. That's really what our cleaning routine looks like. We do make the beds when we first wake up in the morning, so that kind of, I feel like that makes the routine so much easier. And also if you're just a person that cleans as you go, like our kitchen is never a super disaster. Yesterday it wasn't as clean as it normally is because we're cooking a lot more at home. Like now we're cooking every single meal always together. Usually Jared would bring stuff to work and you know that helps with dishes and stuff, but it's just been us. Definitely more chores, but I feel like if you wake up and make the beds, that definitely helps. So then the next part of my cleaning routine is I go through packages just because I get so many being on YouTube, and also I order a lot online. I'm the kind of person that can let packages build up and then I'll go through them at the end of the week, and that really bugs Jared. He's like, no, I don't want to look at a stack of packages. I'd rather just go through them every day. So yeah, I actually got a new frother for my coffee. You guys know I love like the hand frothers. I also got a Calvin Klein bra because I'm going to be doing a bra video for you guys. This has been my motto lately: drop before you shop. So this video is actually in collaboration with Drop. I've actually never used something like this, so it was really cool to just get in the habit, and I've been doing this for like over a month. You open up the Drop app first and then shop like you normally would, and you will start getting rewards and points just for shopping. And you can use it for stores like Sephora. I just got a cream blush and I used it and I racked up some points. You can use it for Hulu, Postmates, Uber Eats, and my dog is licking his butt right now. Honestly, once you start using it, you get into the habit, and just remember that motto: drop before you shop. So I actually use the app a lot for stores like Sephora. So on their app, it's 50 points per dollar, and I usually spend like $200 at Sephora. So that would be 1,000 points. So that's a lot of points, and you're gonna be spending the money anyway. I wish I knew about this in the past because like for the past years I've been spending so much at Sephora, so I wish that I was using an app like this. So Drop is actually going to be giving you guys free reward points when you sign up for the app in my description box. I'll have a link. Everybody that signs up is going to get some points. All you have to do is sign up using the link in my description box and then use my code. If you are downloading straight from the App Store, then all you have to do is just add in my code and you will get the free points. However, Drop is going to be doing a giveaway for my subscribers, and they're going to be picking 100 of you at random, and they're going to be giving you guys bonus points ranging from $5 to $25. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope everyone has an amazing day. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.